Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this smaller quarter circle OPQ fully inscribed in a bigger quarter circle AOB, as you can see in this given diagram, such that O is the center of this bigger quarter circle, whereas the point P is the center of this smaller quarter circle. And moreover, OQ is the chord of this smaller quarter circle, and the area of this yellow shaded region has been given to us as 2 centimeter square. And furthermore, the radius of this bigger quarter circle has been given to us as uppercase R. And now our task is to calculate the value of this radius uppercase R. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's make an observation. We can see that this OQ is the radius of this bigger quarter circle. And we know the radius of this bigger quarter circle has been given to us as uppercase R. So therefore, this OQ length is going to be radius uppercase R. And furthermore, we can see this OP and PQ, they are the radii of this smaller quarter circle. So therefore, I'm going to label this radius of this smaller quarter circle as lowercase r, and likewise this radius lowercase r as well. And now our task is to find the relationship between the lowercase r and the radius uppercase r. And now let's focus on this right triangle OPQ. And we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is uppercase r, whereas our two other legs are lowercase r and lowercase r as well. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got lowercase r square plus lowercase r square is going to be equal to uppercase r square. And now I am going to divide both sides by 2. So therefore we can see that our lowercase r square is going to be equal to uppercase r square divided by 2. So therefore our relationship turns out to be lowercase r square equals to uppercase r square divided by 2. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this yellow shaded region area is going to be equal to the area of this smaller quarter circle OPQ minus the area of the triangle OPQ. And we know the area of this yellow shaded region has been given to us as 2 centimeter square. So therefore we are going to focus on this smaller quarter circle area and the area of this triangle OPQ as well. And now let's focus on this smaller quarter circle. And now let's recall the area of a circle formula. Area is always equal to pi times r square, where lowercase r is the radius. And since we are dealing with this quarter circle, so therefore the area of this full circle, which is pi lowercase r square, and I'm going to divide this one by 4. So therefore the area of this smaller quarter circle is going to be pi divided by 4 times lowercase r square. And now we know that our lowercase r square could be written as uppercase r square divided by 2. So therefore I'm going to replace this lowercase r square with uppercase r square divided by 2 over here. And if we multiply, that is going to give us pi uppercase r square divided by 8. So therefore the area of this quarter circle turns out to be in terms of uppercase r square. And likewise, we are going to calculate the area of this right triangle OPQ. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times the base times the height of the triangle. And in our case, the base of this triangle is lowercase r, whereas the height of this triangle is lowercase r as well. So therefore the area of this triangle OPQ is going to be a half times our base is lowercase r times our height is lowercase r as well. So therefore if we multiply, that is going to give us a half times lowercase r square. And now once again we know that lowercase r square could be written as uppercase r square divided by 2. So therefore I am going to substitute that value r uppercase r square rather divided by 2 over here. So therefore I can write this one as 1 divided by 2 times uppercase r square divided by 2. So therefore this could be written as uppercase r square divided by 4. So thus the area of this triangle OPQ could be written as uppercase r square divided by 4. And now let's recall this equation once again. The yellow shaded region area is equal to the quarter circle OPQ area minus the area of the triangle OPQ. And here we can see our yellow shaded region area has been given to us as 2. The area of this smaller quarter circle has been given to us as pi times uppercase r square divided by 8. And likewise the area of this triangle OPQ is uppercase r square divided by 4. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this equation. So we're going to write down 2 equals 2 pi times uppercase r square divided by 8 minus r square divided by 4. And now I am going to remove this fraction by multiplying by 8 across the board. 8 on the left hand side, 8 on this term, and likewise 8 over here in the second term as well. So therefore on the left hand side 2 times 8 is going to give us 16 equals to 8, and 8 cancels out. So we are ended up with the simply pi times uppercase r square minus that thing is going to give us 2 times uppercase r square. And now we can see uppercase r square and uppercase r square is in common on the right hand side. So therefore I can write uppercase r square could be factored out, and this could be written as in the parentheses pi minus 2 equals to 16. And now I am going to divide both sides by pi minus 2 to isolate uppercase r square. And here we can see this pi minus 2 and this pi minus 2, they are gone. So therefore we are ended up with uppercase r square is going to be equal to 16 divided by pi minus 2. So thus our radius uppercase r square turns out to be equal to 16 divided by pi minus 2. And now I'm going to undo this square by taking a square root on both sides. So therefore we can see that our uppercase r radius turns out to be the square root of 16 is going to be 4 divided by square root of pi minus 2. And now we are going to rationalize this denominator. So therefore I'm going to multiply by this pi minus 2, and at the same time I'm going to divide with pi minus 2 as well. And here we can see on the denominator this, when we multiply these two, that is going to give us simply pi minus 2. So therefore our uppercase r radius turns out to be 4 times the square root of pi minus 2 divided by pi minus 2 at the denominator. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, our radius uppercase r turns out to be 4 times the square root of pi minus 2 all over pi minus 2 centimeter. And that is going to be approximately equal to 3.744 centimeter as well. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.